All right, guys. Sorry, this was another just kind of a last minute run out to John's one more time. I found some parts I needed. I probably say in the video this is the last clip, probably every time I turn off the camera. So I apologize for that, and I'm not going to do much editing. I'm just going to show you what I got. But anyway, just wanted to give you the part of I walked through the GM section and some parts of the yard I didn't walk before. So hopefully you guys will see something in there that interests you. But anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Please like, subscribe. Thanks. All right, guys, I'm back out at John's. This will be the video number 2 and probably the last one. Hopefully I've got enough storage on my phone to get you some decent stuff. I'm going to try to cover the GM stuff. I didn't get too much GM parts last time I was here, but so you can see a few drive shafts. Lots of wheels. And these are the buses I was talking about. They've got a bus full of third members. Just this whole row of buses. All of these have stuff in them. And they're sorted pretty well. You've got transmissions here, a whole bunch of transmissions. You've got transfer cases. A few intakes over there. Another transmission bus. Just a lot of miscellaneous parts and stuff. A lot of cranks. There's an NP205 sitting on the ground back there. So this is some of the GM stuff. The El Camino. Not exactly sure what this is, but another El Camino. Aero Ace. These are just all kinds of buses filled with stuff. Some of this stuff's pretty rough and picked over, but still pretty cool. Lots of El Caminos. I almost think the glare is probably hurting what y'all can see, so maybe if I walk backwards, it'll help. That section over there is just all rear ends. Starts over there and just goes all the way along that fence line. Old knee knocker. Just Suburban right there, 60 to 66 Suburban. Another El Camino. All right, I'll turn you back on when I get to the GM stuff. Well, not to the GM stuff, but tons of rear ends everywhere. Cool little wrecker. Some panel trucks. Again, all this stuff is getting crushed. This is the Mopar truck section. I'm not gonna walk down there because I don't know that I got enough room. I'm gonna get more of the GM stuff. Four-wheel drive square body, a couple of those. There's another one up there. I took the sway bar off that one. So 60 to 66 section. And obviously some 50 stuff in here too. '67, '72, right there. Pretty decent little bed over there. Oh, they've already started pulling stuff out. More square body stuff. Decent short bed back there. It's a long bed, 60 to 66, 64 to 66. Yeah, they've really started clearing some of this stuff out. This stuff was pretty packed in here. Another Suburban, two Suburbans. '67, '72 Suburban. A lot of this I haven't even walked yet. Pretty much rebuilding a '66 Chevrolet K10. Another '67, '72 Suburban. That gets into the Mopar stuff. So a lot of the yard I haven't walked just because I'm looking for Chevrolet parts. But anyway, I'll get over to the GM car stuff and take some video of that. All right, here's another aisle of the, that's Ford row over there, but this is more Chevrolet stuff. bodies. I just scored some. Oh, let me get them out. Original square body. I guess they're original. The way they look like they were mounted in there, but tow hooks. Maybe not original, but still use them. That's the back of the Ford truck row. Camaro or Firebird, I can't tell. I'm gonna walk down there, but convertible C10. Glare. Kicking my ass. Pontiacs. Alright, I'm gonna stop here and search through some parts. Some still got the seat in it. There's a dandy print too. So here's a 64 to 66. I don't know, the cab's not too bad. I mean, it's got some rust in it, but this bed seems really nice. I don't know if you guys can see it with the glare, but bed seems really straight. Looks like a 66. At least it's got the reverse lights. But yeah, both sides look really good on this truck. I just bought a bed. I drove to Kansas and bought one from a guy by the name of Kelly Dugan. And if I'd have known this one was here. Oh, I take it back. Somebody cut out a section there and there, but that's easily patched. Alright, no luck. They welded a plate in the bed. Backside of those Pontiacs we were looking at earlier. Let's go this way. This is just a row of doors and fenders and bumpers. Oh, and wheels. S10. I know this is shaky as hell, but it's hard to walk with all this stuff in my hands. Tools and camera. Got a few wheels in here. Trans Am wheel over there. Snowflakes. It just goes on and on. Slots. These are probably my favorite. All polished up. More slots. I'm kind of over here. Looks like this has just been sitting here for years, just piles of parts. He's got doors and hardware and fenders and bumpers, just everywhere. '67 to '72. Sorry about that shit. 72 hood. It's all, 66 to 64. All jacked up. Chevelle, really rough. I guess 68 or 69. Cut the cowl out of it. Over here's just doors. Square body stuff. I don't think I got this side. That's the one that was sitting next to the Chevelle. I think I got it in the shot. It's a Mordor. Monte Carlo. That's the beginning up there, and it goes way out that way. Got some OBS stuff. Trans Am or Firebird. Camaro. This is kind of where we already were. I think this is the Ford truck row on the left and right. Go through here fast just because I don't know how much battery life I have. Some more Ford trucks, cool station wagon, Chevrolet big body cars. Cadillacs are on that side. Built them a 4-wheel drive wagon with the party window in the back. And then these are just more Ford trucks. Mopar stuff. Well, I shouldn't say more. The first video had a little bit of Mopar. Duster. Lots of station wagons. Your mom likes a good station wagon. Duster. Bag. All right, 70s, 60s, 70s, and 80s Cadillacs. That's a 50s model. More station wagons. Nova, a couple Novas, Impalas, and there's where the destruction is happening. Hard to see some of this. Really bad when it's spring and summer because it's all grown up. It's the best shot to see them right now. Hopefully you can stop it and zoom in if you need to. See something you're interested in. I'd love a like and subscribe if you guys don't mind. Hot out here, but I'd be out here anyway. Beautiful Saturday. Get into the no car section. Oh, there's Mercury. Some pretty cool looking trim back there. Into this part. Baby Blue Maverick. Wish I had the money to buy more of these. I'll buy some of these Blazers and Broncos and Camaros, Novas. Let's get that color on that one. My ex-wife sat on the hood of that son of a bitch, or the top of that son of a bitch right there. Corvair. Upside down model. Lots of Corvairs over there, if you can see them. Never was a big fan. My dad loved Corvairs. I never was a big fan of that business. All right, looks like I'm getting low on storage, so I'm probably going to wrap this up pretty quick. But hopefully this gives you guys a taste of what's out here. Again, they're closing, crushing everything by May. I don't know how in the world they're going to do it. But that's the plan. And the price of steel right now, as somebody mentioned in my previous video, it's pretty low. So it might cost him money to get rid of this stuff. But that means it might be a good deal for you. All right, if I see anything else cool, I'll turn it back on, but otherwise, I'm gonna wrap this up. All right. This all used to be filled with cars. Got a 57 station wagon over there. Unless I see something, I'm really done this time. All right, last one, I promise. You see over there, that's engine row. Just a ton of engines just sitting out in the open. Who knows what's over there. Another big wheel graveyard. More Impalas. You hear people cutting stuff up. If you were hurting for wheels, this would be the place. Come fix them up. This is a glimpse inside one of the buses. These are all taillight assemblies. These are all like heater blower fans. These are all kinds of steering columns. Looks like that's an automatic column for a 64. Steering wheels, and columns. It says Nova. That's one of them. Whole mess up in here on the ground. Here's another one. You've just got old sheet metal. Old truck full. Grills. More taillights. Cranks again. Like I said, that. It's got a whole van up here that's just carburetors. Transmissions. I mean, these are like mostly transfer cases and transmissions. Half these buses I never even looked in. More transmissions.